Hi, we're back at Mark's Electrical Studio, and today we're reviewing Fisher & Paykel's RF610ADW4 American fridge freezer. Now it's striking in its gleaming white livery, which offers an alternative to the stainless steel, and it makes a statement in your kitchen with its bright and fresh look. It's one of Fisher & Paykel's French door range, which gives great access and it maximises space, and it has their patented Active Smart technology that constantly studies your usage patterns, then chills the fridge accordingly for extra efficiency. Also, it's unplumbed, which gives you more scope for where you position it within your kitchen. Let's look inside. Now, I love these handles, metal handles. They're very streamlined looking, and yet they feel chunky when you get hold of them. There's a good seal, and that big LED pops on to light up a very well organised 414 net litres of capacity in the fridge. Now that is a big capacity, isn't it? You get 8 big spacious door shelves. The top 2 are lidded dairy shelves, 1 on each side. Then the middle 4 are all height adjustable, which gives great scope for customisation if you want to get some taller bottles in the bottom there. You also get on the bottom 4 these metal retainers and a sliding partition as well. Now that all adds lots of stability for when you open these big doors to make sure those tall bottles don't topple around. Into the cabinet you've got 2 multi-height adjustable glass shelves, big shelves they are, you get lots of capacity in there, and the third one acts as a lid for the 2 fruit and veg crispers, which are individually humidity controllable. Now if you want to put your fruit in one side and your veg in the other, you can adjust the humidity on the slider individually, which is great. They're both on a sliding drawer, which gives great access. You can see what you've got in there, good access, it's a good height for accessing. Yeah, I like that a lot. And you've got a similar setup below that for the 2 big deli bins. Now you put your meat and your fish, etc. in there. But again, great access. You can easily see and get to all that food that you've got stored inside. There's an added bonus of a set of 4 bottle holders. Now they've got rubber feet so they won't slide around on the glass. They do latch onto the back of the shelves, and you can put them wherever you like within the fridge, and they're stackable just to get them out of the way. I like that, great design, I like that. And on the right is the touch sensitive multifunction controller. Moving on to the 131 net litre capacity drawer style frost free freezer. A big LED lights up the space, and there's a big storage bin at the bottom. Now frost free means your food is easy to see and access, and you can get lots in there. Now above that is another drawer with 2 large storage bins in there again, and an ice cube tray with a lid on it. So it's all good, well organised storage, and that's easy to see, A, because it's frost free, and B, because you've got a nice light there as well. Now the freezer also benefits from adaptive defrost, where the Active Smart analyses the best time to defrost dependent on usage. So that's a very handy bit of technology as well. Let's have a look at the dimensions. There's a height of 1,790 millimetres, the width of the product is 900 millimetres, and the depth of the product is 695 millimetres. You will need to add 5 millimetres either side of the appliance for clearance, and 30 millimetres at the back for air gap. Now another dimension to consider is the clearance required when opening these big doors. And a 90-degree opening of both doors, like that. You've got the handles to think about, plus the thickness of the doors adds just 120 millimetres to the width of the product. But with both doors fully open, the width of the product becomes 1610 millimeters. So if you're opening up against side walls, that's another important dimension to consider. So, summing up, this classy looking American fridge freezer oozes quality. The 614 gross litre capacity means it suits a large family. It has an A+ energy rating. It has awesome technology and a long warranty. And you could have one of these in your home tomorrow. Free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Marks Electrical. And that's evenings and weekends included.